everyone, my name is Deborah Navas and I'm gonna teach you about the passive. Well, most of spoken English use active speech. In active sentences, and the subject is the focus of the sentences, but in the passive sentences, the object is the focus than the subject. So, we use the passive when we don't know who did the action. For example, the window was broken. We don't know who broke it. Another reason so we use the passive is when it's not important who did the action. For example, breakfast is served at 7 a.m. It's not important who served breakfast. Another one is that it's very clear, obvious who did the action. For example, corn is grown in the field. Obviously, farmers grow the corn. Well, I'm going to teach you about how to make a passive. But we have some tenses. For example, I have a list right here. Yeah, we have present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect, future simple, and future perfect. But in this time, we are going to learn about present simple, past simple, and modal passive. How we make a passive sentence in these tenses. Well, and first of all, the present simple passive. The present simple passive, the structure is very, very easy. I have the structure right here. Right here. Present simple passive. The structure is the object plus verb to be like is and are, past participle, and the subject. One example of these are: these toys are sold in supermarkets. We are going to talk about now to the past simple passive. In the structure of the past simple passive, you can see right here, is the object plus verb to be, but now is in the past. The verb to be in the past are was and were, plus past participle, and plus the subject. For example, one sentence of the past simple tenses in passive is: this picture was drawn to illustrate a story. Now we are going to learn about the modal passives. The modal passive is the structure is this one, and modal like may, could, can, might, and etc. plus be plus the verb be, and plus past participle. One example of these sentences is the next one. The model wasn't paying very much by the photographer. It's very easy to make a passive sentences because we only just have to make the object of the sentences the main reason of the sentences now, because the active speech of the active sentences, like I just had to tell you, we have the subject like main reason, but the passive is the contrast. We have to make the object like focus in our sentences. And that's all. I hope that you enjoyed the video and you could learn. Thank you very much.